Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to unbox D3500 DSLR camera. So let's get started. Okay, so here's the box. So let's get started. Okay, so we have some bag here with nothing. So we have two boxes here, and we have lens in here. So let's open it. Maybe you need craft knife. Okay, so here we go with craft knife. Okay, so it's opened, and let's see what we got inside here. So we got lots of instructions in here. So let's see what else we got in here. Here's the lens, and we got nothing else in here. So here's the second box, and we got another instruction here, and the charging adapter, and nothing else in the box. So let's open the second box. So here is something with lots of packaging. Okay, so here's our camera. We got a safety belt for carrying. Here is our battery for the camera, and an adapter for the camera, and I'm not sure what it is for. I think it's for charging the battery. And we got nothing else in the box. So let's try the camera. Let's put in the battery first. So I come back after putting in the battery. Okay, so I put in the battery, so let's turn on the camera. So let's select a language, Okay, so I need to set the date and time. I come back after setting the date and time. Okay, so I have set the date and time. So let's open the lens case. Okay, I need to put the lens in. So where did I put that? So I put the lens in and come back again. Okay, so I have put in the lens. So let's turn on the camera and let's open the thing again. Oh, lens not attached. Okay, I think I need to fix it again. Oh, I need to fix it. I come back again. Okay, so I have fixed it. So let's turn on the camera again. So it says you need to rotate the zoom ring. So you need to press the button up here. So and then rotate it. So you can see now you can take photos. And you need to put a memory card to take photos as well. So, and thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel.